Hi, how are you guys doing tonight? Well, anyways, I am from the state of Michigan, and I have a few questions and concerns. Okay, apparently our government, our state government, does not have the capability of running this state. Our state is too unsafe right now because of all the budget cuts and everything like that. Honestly, I believe that the United States has forgotten about the state of Michigan. How do you guys plan on helping us out here? Because somebody needs to step in here because our state government, totally more or less sucks, Alright, it's too unsafe. It's the middle of winter time here, and apparently we can't even afford road commission, okay? I've seen way too many car accidents going on. Right now, I'm in the middle of a snowstorm right now. There should be plows out. One, there isn't any plows out right now, and where I live is in a remote city, and we are concerned last priority or something along the lines. And now, from what I've heard, where I live right now, there's only 2 plow trucks throughout the whole entire county, which is inappropriate. How do you guys plan on helping us out? We need help. How do you guys plan on helping out Michigan? And about the employment too, you guys complain that we have the lowest unemployment rate. Well, if we had work to be worked, I guarantee you we would do it. And how would you guys go about giving us work? You guys put a factory here and there, but what about the people up north in like the Upper Peninsula? We're the ones that are unemployed, not the ones that are downstate. There's more jobs downstate than there is up here. How do you plan on helping out Michigan? Thank you.